going to study about the simple future tense. With the help of tense, we get to know the timings of the action, like whether the action has been done or whether the action is going on or the action will take place later. Okay, if the action has been done, then that tense calls past tense. If the action is going on, that tense is called present tense. But if the action will take place later, it will be called future tense. So we have already discussed about present tense and past tense before. Like in past tense, we use ed we add ed to the verb, and there are certain more rules that you can revise it from my previous videos. And in present tense, we just check whether the sentence or the subject is singular or plural, right? And accordingly we make changes in the verb. Now in future tense, we do not make changes in the verb, but we just add will with the verb. Okay, like for example, as I told you that in future tense, action that will happen in the future are comes under the category of future tense. So in that, to express the action that it took place in the future, we add will. And where do we add will? We add will after the subject or before the verb, before the main verb. Okay. For example, I will complete my homework at night. So I haven't completed my homework yet. So I will complete my homework at night means the time which will come later. So for that I use will. What did I use? Will. Okay. So complete was the main verb here. I complete. I complete my homework at night, or I will complete my homework at night. So in first sentence, I complete my homework at night, it tells about present or the regular habit, okay, about the person. But if I say I will complete my homework at night, it means I haven't completed yet, I will do it later. So the action which tells that whether the verb is going to be happen later or it will take place later in future, so that sentence comes under the category of simple future tense, or we can say future tense. Okay, in this you have to remember that we have to add will before the main verb. Now look at these examples. The first one, milkman delivers the milk every day. Now this is the sentence of present tense. Okay, milkman delivers. Delivers. Here the main verb is delivers. Okay. Now if we want to convert this sentence into future tense, what do we have to do? We have to add will before the main verb. As we have recognized the main verb is deliver, so there is no need to add any kind of s, es, ed to the main verb when we are converting the sentence into future tense. We just add will, okay, in the simple future tense. So milkman delivers the milk every day. Here if I add will, then what it will become? Milkman will deliver the milk every day. Okay, so in this way we can convert a sentence into future tense. And remember, do not add anything into the spelling of main verb. Okay, just use it as it is and add will before it. Okay. Now next, see there are some conditions in future tense, like today's condition predicts the future result. For example, if the weather is not fine, if you see the dark clouds in the sky, then what do you say? That weather is not fine today, it may or it will rain heavily. Okay, so it means that today's condition with the help of today's condition or certain condition, we predict the future. Okay, we predict the result. Likewise, you may receive such such sentences in which you will get a particular situation and you have to predict the next action. Okay, as we say now to the kids that do not run in the corridor, you will slip down. So you will slip down is the result which we predict from our mind कि अगर आप ऐसा करोगे तो आपके साथ ऐसा होगा. So in this होगा, this word we use in future tense. Okay, or we can say that if you will run fast, you may slip or you will slip. So with the help of certain condition, we may predict the future result. Now here, there is a banana peel on road, you will slip. Okay. Or there, do not tease the dog. If we tease the dog, what will happen to us? It will bite us. Okay. It will. So the verb is clear in our mind that what will happen if we tease the dog? It will bite you. Do not tease the dog, it will bite you. Okay. Do not touch the switchboard, it will give you shock. Okay. So certain conditions may predict the future result, so we can use will there also. Okay. So that's all about the simple future tense. I hope you have understood it well. If still there is some query, then you can clear your doubts and send me your queries on e-feedback. Thank you.